Want to share large videos on your WhatsApp status? As we know, WhatsApp limits video length to 60 seconds or shorter to upload as a status. However, I will show simple and easy tricks if you want to share a longer video. So, let's jump into the video. Launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Go to the Updates section at the bottom left corner. Then, tap on the plus icon next to My Status. Then, choose your video file from Photos or Albums and tap to select it. As you can see here, the video will be trimmed to the first 60 seconds. You can manage it, and if some parts remain, you can break it down into parts and post them as an individual status. To fix this problem, use this free app to easily post long video as WhatsApp status. You can download and use our Easy Video Cutter and Merger app on the App Store. The download link is given in the video description. It's a free app with no watermarks and no video length limitations. You can go through this app and share long videos into stories by splitting, cutting, sharing, and merging options. Now, launch the Easy Video Cutter and Merger app on your iPhone. Choose the Split and Save Video option. Then, select the video location from the gallery, or record the video from the camera. For example, I selected a selected video from the gallery. The app might ask to access your photo library the first time you use it. Select Limit Access or Allow Full Access. Then, select your video and hit the Choose option at the bottom right corner. Wait for a second to process complete. You can now split the video custom interval or equally from here. I am going with the option of a custom split with a duration 60 seconds for WhatsApp status and tapping on the Split Now button. Allow split permission. As you can see here, the video has been successfully trimmed and saved to the Photos app under the Recent Days section. Now use this 60 seconds clip for WhatsApp status. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Under the Updates tab, tap the camera to add video status and select View from here in sequence. Tap on the green button to post as status now. Again, repeat the same steps to add a new video to WhatsApp status. Preview the video and hit Send to your WhatsApp status. That's it. This app is really useful for other quick and easy video editing features like cut parts of video and sharing directly to WhatsApp, or remove unwanted parts and then merging them into a video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks.